Mountain here, and this video has been done to show you how you can create a family. At times it becomes pretty difficult to mingle with people of other races and other regions of the world. They're segregative, and people don't just want to mingle with people of other races. Others wouldn't want you to be part of them if you speak a different language. So now, if you have a group of people, a bunch of people that you want to be mingling with, those who speak a language that you understand and the language they understand, the best thing that you can ever do for you to hit success on these social apps where you earn money is by actually bringing in people, and then you create a family. So now, how do you do that on Meyo? So just after I had left that other family, I said, I'm gonna create my own family. So there we go. Click on Meyo. After you click on Meyo, make sure that the profile tab is the one which is active, the one which is in the bottom right corner. Click there, and you're gonna see your tab. So what you do is you click on your profile pic. Your profile pic. Network is pretty bad here. Okay, so now you go to where it says my family. You see it's saying not set. Click there, and then you'll be brought to this spot. Make sure that the family tab is active. If you want to join any other family that you know of, maybe that's the one that has been created by people that you know, you can actually join any of those that you can see here. Scroll down until you find it. But you go by create family. There we go. Create family, family name. So here we're going to say Elisha's Empire. Elisha's Empire. We can as well upload a pic by simply clicking on the picture icon. Then we go to photos, gallery. You have to set up, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm going to go to thumbnail. Where are you? You got to head on to the folder where you know you had kept everything, or the peak that you're looking for. Where is that peak? The Empire. There we go. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to click on yes. And there we go. We click OK. I'm going to click on done. And then the family will be dismissed if total members can't achieve 10 within 5 days. So within 5 days, I have to make sure that I have 10 members. Your family will be dismissed if there is 0 contribution added in 7 days. Your family will be dismissed if the total member is less than 5. Total contribution is less than 50 in 7 consecutive days, and the family creation days exceeds 5 days. So there we go. Okay. We are agreeing to that, and we're going to take the risk. And the family has been created. Okay, beautiful. No, we will not go by that this time around. Cancel that. So now, the beauty of having a family is you can easily communicate with somebody. You know what I'm saying? You can easily communicate with the people that you want to communicate with without being charged, free of charge. So I'm going to show you what happens in a family, what is expected of you on a daily basis, and the events where you can actually make Kwacha. So this is how we do it, and the family has been created. We can actually invite some people to this family, you know what I'm saying? They're saying let me add some human beings, yeah? The people that I know of. I can add this one here. Okay. So for you to add people, you have to have coins. You have to have coins. Okay. Let's go friend. Then we go to, okay, one deeper. You can invite this one here. Invited. You can also add one deeper and Telia. Beautiful. She's been invited. Then let's go on. Let's go on. One deeper as well. Invited. How many more people am I remaining with? I think I need to invite as many people as I can, you know what I'm saying? Let me see. There are other people who've been texting me like I've never seen. This one here. Okay, beautiful. Following. Okay, let's check on followers. Followers. Okay, I don't have a huge following. So this is how we do it, baby. This is how we do it.